Want to switch to Simple Mobile and keep your current phone number? Here's what you need to know. First, you need to be eligible. This means you must have an active Simple Mobile account, an unlocked GSM phone, and be in good standing with your previous carrier. Make sure your old account is at least 30 days old and doesn't have any outstanding balances, contracts, or suspensions. The most critical step is obtaining your account PIN or transfer PIN from your previous carrier. This is a unique code you'll need during the porting request on Simple Mobile's website or app. Without this PIN, the porting process will fail. Get this PIN from your old carrier's website, app, or customer service. Simple Mobile will also require proof of ownership, like a recent billing statement. Remember to back up all your contacts and data before starting the porting process. Once you have your eligibility sorted and your PIN, it's time to initiate the porting process. Head to simplemobile.com or use the Simple Mobile app to submit a port-in request. You'll need to provide your previous carrier's account details, your PIN, and the SIM card number from your new Simple Mobile SIM. After submitting the request, the porting process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You can track the status in the Simple Mobile app. After the port completes, insert your new Simple Mobile SIM card into your phone and activate it via the app or website. Your number will activate once the port is fully completed, but you might experience a brief interruption in service during the switchover. It's also important to note that in many cases, you can port from major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile without needing a physical SIM swap.